Hi, I'm Dr. Syed. My practice is located in Wilmington, Delaware. I practiced there for about 2 years with a dentist. Did it for a long time in terms of just experience and how my dentistry was going. I wanted to provide something special for my patients in terms of, just my chairside manners and how that special is something I can bring to the patient that I thought was missing from working for someone else. And so I wanted to have my own place. Had a chance to buy a practice. It was a well-established practice in 2007. And I've taken it, I've found my right staff, we've gone through some changes, and absolutely love my patients and have lovely staff. And life's all good. I found that my dentistry, I was always honest with it, to myself, to my patients about it. And I found some of the cases that are discussed, although I had passion for doing them, I felt like I didn't have the education nor the experience to have that experience. So I also belong to a study club. And I also think that regardless of where you graduate and what your training is, one biggest thing that each student should have or dentist should have is that sense of curiosity of saying, well, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? And I don't see that in some people, and it's fine. But I practice dentistry as a scientist. You are a scientist, and you have to know why things are failing. If things are not failing, then you're doing something right. And I found that Dawson, I heard it through my study club, was somewhere that I sort of fit in what the thinking was. I heard of Dr. Dawson in dental school. He was well respected. And I said, wow, I'll get a chance to see the god of dentistry and see what this training is all about. So I connected with my study club students, and they directed me to come to the course. And after I came to the first course, my mind was just blown away, and it's been wonderful. It's been wonderful. My first class was let's see. I can't find the words to quite express how I feel, but it was such an awakening to me. I went back to my hotel room and I'm thinking okay, I think I found the answer to all my issues that I'm having, certainly majority of them. And I was so excited. I called and thanked the dentist that had referred me to come to Dawson course. Called my wife up and said, look, I think I'm heading in a different direction. And she was excited. Of course, she has no idea what I'm talking about, but that's all right. And I went back and changed a lot of things. How I was practicing, my style changed. My assistants saw the confidence in what I was doing. They believed in me. And I just have a supportive staff that has, they're quite excited for me to get back and implement my knowledge there. Yeah. I think patients see the level of confidence their care provider interacts with. There's just a sense of confidence and a sense of belief that was not there before for me prior to my training. And the amount of support and amount of connection that I've gotten, not just from the instructors at Dawson, but also through colleagues that I've met, and know some of the problems that they were facing prior to taking this class. It's tremendous. It's tremendous. I sleep better, put it that way. I work less harder, and I don't sweat the small stuff anymore. If I have to say one recommendation, and it's different for each person, I would say something that was very small, but it's so important to me. Find out why things are failing. Find out why. And I can certainly tell you, to me, a lot of my questions were answered here. I found people that, not just in terms of dentistry, in terms of management of the office, have answered. But regardless of how you found it, I think you gotta have that curiosity in your heart and your mind as to just to quest for finding out why isn't anything not working, or answering a question for yourself. In general, I want to say that as a dentist, I think I owe it to my fellow dentists and professionals to at least come and give Dawson a shot. I think they'll find that their experience will change, their dentistry will change, the quality of their dentistry will certainly improve, and Dawson's not about giving you the most dollars, the most profit. It's honest dentistry. It's day-to-day honest dentistry.